Hello everyone and welcome to Jumper Man Tech, where we specialize in HVAC but do everything DIY. And today we're going to be going over the BlissLights Sky Lite laser star projector. Thank you to everyone tuning in to Jumper Man Tech. And this was something that I ordered off Amazon.com and thought an LED projector would be a great addition for my home. This projector is made by BlissLights, and this is the Sky Lite laser star projector and galaxy projector. Here's the opposite side of our Sky Lite, and as you can see we have 3 buttons and it's 3 easy to use functions. Starting from the top is our power button, which is also our effects button. Press it once to turn the power on, press it again for pulse mode, again for stars mode, again for cloud only, and again to power it off. The middle button is our rotation. I will show you that in a demonstration, but just pressing it you can turn that on and off. And last, on the bottom, we can adjust our brightness. We have 3 modes from normal, low, and high. Once again, these are our 3 buttons if you want to take a screenshot of this so you can see all the functions. Here's a quick look at the product specs if you want to take a quick screenshot of this as well. Here's our power cord provided, and I think it's about time to turn this on and see what it's all about. Our Sky Lite is powered by 5 volts DC. The opposite end is a USB, and provided is a charging block which you can plug into your wall. Alright everyone, it's the moment of truth. Whoa. First things first, my entire room is blue, and this is awesome. Whoa. When you first turn it on, all the settings are on. When I'm looking at this, it looks a little bit pink in the video footage, but it's actually all blue in the room. But wow, this is actually fantastic. There's also stars in the room, so we're gonna switch the setting and see how that changes. So here we have this function where it goes in and out. I think it looks really cool like that. We have the galaxy and we have the stars going at the same time, and it dims out and dims in. It looks really cool. We have the LED stars and we have it in rotation. That's what the middle button was for. Right now you can see it's in rotation, and if I press that button, it's gonna stop all motions. Right there. I just pressed the rotation button once again, and now we are not in any motion. This is by far my favorite. This actually really transformed the room. It looks absolutely fantastic. It really does. I really do like when it's in rotation, so I'm gonna press the rotation button and let's get a look at that because that looks really cool. That really puts you in a trance. Once again, it does look like it's like pinkish in the video, but it is all blue. Regardless, both look absolutely amazing. I'm really happy with this. This looks really cool. I have the Sky Lite just simply sitting on a little table, and it's directing up towards the ceiling. I think this looks really trippy, and anybody would love it. This is an absolutely great gift. Definitely a great gift. Transform the room. I feel like I'm in some kind of trance, and I could actually go to sleep like this. I think it's very soothing. I love it. You could just point these lights anywhere, and wow, this looks absolutely fantastic. This looks so cool with this guitar. Just place it against the wall. I think I could look at this for hours. This is definitely something else. Just something to put on some relaxing music, put on the lights. Wow. Point this anywhere and you're really gonna feel like you're out of space with all these different technical parts. If anybody's wondering what you're looking at, this is actually an open case computer. This is my first computer build. I think these lights are absolutely beautiful. They really made a big change in the room. If anybody's interested in purchasing these lights, a link will always be in the video's description and comment section. And if anybody found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you all next time.